Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best stand mixers under $100 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer. This compact and lightweight mixer is perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone with limited storage space. With its 3.2-quart stainless steel bowl, it's ideal for small families or couples who are just starting their baking journey. The tilt head design makes it easy to attach and detach accessories, while the anti-splash lid helps keep your workspace clean. Plus, it comes in multiple color options, so you can pick one that matches your kitchen aesthetic. Performance-wise, the Kitchen in the Box mixer features 6 different speed settings, allowing you to handle everything from bread dough to delicate batters. Its aluminum dough hook and flat beater, along with a stainless steel whisk, are durable and easy to clean. The 4 anti-slip suction cups on the chassis ensure stability during operation, even at higher speeds. While it may not have the power of larger models, it gets the job done for everyday baking tasks. This mixer is a great value for those who need an affordable, entry-level solution for light-duty mixing. However, its smaller capacity and lightweight build may not suit those who bake large quantities or heavy doughs. Overall, it's a thoughtful gift idea and a practical choice for occasional bakers. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Zuki 4.8 QT Kitchen Electric Stand Mixer. This model features a sleek silver design and packs a 380-watt motor with 8+ P speed settings, giving you precision control over a variety of recipes. The planetary mixing action ensures thorough blending, mimicking the motion of manual mixing for finer textures. Its 4.8-quart stainless steel bowl is a solid choice for small to medium baking projects, and the added handle makes it easy to maneuver. The Zuki mixer includes 5 versatile attachments: a wire whisk, aluminum dough hook, Teflon-coated mixing beater, silicone spatula, and an egg yolk separator. This wide range of accessories makes it a versatile tool for everything from whipping cream to kneading bread dough. The suction cups on the base keep the mixer stable during operation, and the tilt head design simplifies bowl and attachment changes. However, with a 380-watt motor, it may struggle with heavy or dense doughs compared to higher-powered mixers. This stand mixer is ideal for occasional bakers or those who need a reliable tool for smaller tasks. Its affordable price and robust feature set make it a competitive option in this category. However, if you need something for frequent or large-scale baking, you might want to consider a mixer with a higher wattage and larger bowl capacity. At rank number 3, we have the Howork Electric Stand Mixer. With its 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer is designed for versatility and larger batches, making it a great option for families or avid home bakers. Powered by a 660-watt pure copper motor, it delivers reliable performance across its 10 speed settings, plus an additional pulse setting for quick blitzing. The planetary mixing action ensures thorough ingredient incorporation. Whether you're whipping cream or kneading dough, the mixer features a sturdy ABS housing and a sleek design that balances classical and modern aesthetics. The tilt head configuration allows easy access to the bowl and accessories, while the anti-splash lid helps maintain a clean workspace. 4 suction cups on the base keep the mixer stable during operation, even at higher speeds. Despite its power, the noise level remains manageable at 75 dB, which is a thoughtful touch. While the Howork mixer is a solid performer with a competitive feature set, its bulky size may not suit those with limited counter space. Additionally, while it excels with lighter tasks, users have noted it can struggle with very dense doughs. Overall, this mixer offers great value for those looking for a high-capacity, mid-range option with versatile functionality. In the runner-up spot at rank number 2 is the Chefly Stand Mixer. This model combines power and elegance with a 660-watt pure copper motor encased in a sleek black housing. The LED illuminated power indicator adds a modern touch, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Its 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for larger batches, whether you're mixing cake batter or preparing dough for bread. The tilt head design and transparent anti-splash lid make it user-friendly and mess-free. Performance-wise, the Chefly mixer features 6+P speed settings, offering flexibility for a range of tasks. The planetary mixing action ensures consistency in blending, and the silicone suction cups at the base provide excellent stability during operation. The attachments, wire whip, dough hook, and mixing beater are durable and dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after use. Plus, its ETL and GMARC certifications provide an extra layer of confidence in its build quality. The Chefly mixer strikes a great balance between functionality and style. Its powerful motor and large capacity make it ideal for frequent bakers or families who need a reliable mixer for various tasks. However, due to its heavier build, it may not be the best option for those seeking portability or compact storage. Still, it offers excellent value for the price and is a worthy contender in this lineup. Taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the VivaHome stand mixer. With its powerful 660-watt motor and 10 adjustable speed settings, this mixer is a true workhorse in the kitchen. The pulse function provides added precision, making it versatile enough for everything from delicate meringues to heavy bread doughs. Its 6-quart stainless steel bowl offers generous capacity for medium to large batches. While the sturdy construction ensures stability during operation, the design is both functional and stylish, featuring heat vent outlets for rapid dissipation and a see-through splash-proof shield for monitoring your ingredients. The tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients and switch attachments, while suction cups on the base keep it securely in place. Despite its robust performance, the mixer operates quietly, which is a pleasant surprise given its power. The VivaHome mixer excels in performance, build quality, and overall value. It's perfect for serious home cooks who need a reliable tool for frequent use. While the attachments are not dishwasher safe, their durability and functionality make up for this minor inconvenience. This mixer offers everything you need in a stand mixer under $100 and is our top pick for this category. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.